One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay.
What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at Rap Sesh. In our print room, we have an official print room now. It's so crazy. You guys have seen from the beginning of when we moved into this shop a couple weeks ago, and now there's been a lot of changes. We still have a long way to go.
Oh yeah, if you can't tell, it's pretty boring in here.
But we're getting there. We're getting things mounted on the wall. We're slowly decorating. The coolest thing with our new location, besides being on our own now, this is our first time being in our own shop, is we are now moving into printing and laminating. So really, really cool. This week we are gonna talk about our new equipment, the new services we're offering and getting set up with everything and our whole print adventure. And then we're also gonna showcase a really kind of cool, unique car project that we did a partial wrap design on.
Should be some good controversy on it. Some people will love it, some people will hate it.
We started our company about 2.5, almost 3 years ago is when we went on our own. And honestly, I never thought we would be at the point where we would be owning this kind of equipment, the printer and laminator.
We always said we just wanted to do color change and stuff, and so we were always just like, nah.
That's what we specialize in.
We'll just outsource our prints and everything, and it worked and everything.
But I feel like in this past year, as we've gotten more popular and more well known, like we've earned a reputation of quality in doing like custom. So now we get a lot more requests to do customs than we did before. Most of the time, it used to just be color change where you're just buying the roll. Now we get requests all the time for like printed decals, printed window per, custom printed graphics, like all sorts of things, which is...
Well, I think that's the biggest thing is the custom printed graphics.
People,
we specialize in the custom stuff.
Doing the custom. So we do a little bit of commercial and stuff like that, but we're mostly in the custom.
Mm-hmm.
And the
printer really helps with that.
Well, yeah, and the biggest problem that we had, we use a lot of different contractors to do what we need to do. We, like I said, specialize in install, so we try to stick to that. When it comes to design, we use several people across the USA and out of the country. Mm-hmm. Just to use them to do what they're good at and design for us, and then they send us a print-ready file, and then we would use a couple different printers locally. We print wraps, the brand Smithco, people like that, just depending on what kind of print we're doing. And it is all great, and they really take care of us, and we work with a lot of different companies.
Always do a great job.
The downside is the turnaround time. Something that might take us like 2 days to print and laminate here takes 5 days to order, print, and ship through somebody else. Same for design. Something that if I had a designer sitting in-house for a day, they could knock out a design, whereas I'm waiting 5 to 6 days for an initial design. And then it's 1 to 2 days between each alteration.
And that's not their fault. That's just because they have multiple orders.
Yeah, and that's just how it works. They have their own company and stuff like that and their own customers. But at the end of the day, design and print can take 2 to 3 weeks before we even get to the install portion.
Yeah.
We also have to charge a little bit different when we're using contractors. So really, really cool that we are now offering this in-house, so we can do window perf, banners, anything printed now, we can do that here, which is really cool.
I think it'll also open up a lot of doors that we didn't even know existed.
Yeah, but also we can give our customers a better turnaround and normally a better price too, because we're doing it all in-house. So it's really, really exciting. We couldn't have had this opportunity without Fellers and Mutoh America. They really took care of us.
They're always super just willing to help us whenever we call. They're all on board with everything, and it's just so nice having somebody there that you can call and them not hassle you over anything. They're just like, what do you want? What do you need?
Oh yeah. So we're partnered up with Fellers and Mutoh. We're gonna be doing live demos with them at a couple of our main shows every year, so you guys can see us there. We do a lot of online marketing and promotion with them as well, and we're all about promoting the things that we like to use and the people that take care of us more than anything. They're not paying us to like say, hey, use my printer. It's a choice that we wanted to do because they were the most welcoming company and they really take care of us, and customer service for us
and they have
huge.
A good product.
Yes, good product, that's what matters. So without further ado, I'm gonna introduce to you our 1624 Rapper's Choice solvent printer from Mutoh America. So this has the capabilities to print all the different kinds of vinyls and medias that we need, up to 60 inches. Actually, I think it might even print larger than that. But yeah, up to 60 inches.
do banners.
A really, really cool printer. This is the Rapper's Choice because the speed and quality and consistency of it, it's their best one for vinyl wrappers. So we went with that. So we have the Rapper's Choice from Mutoh. They shipped it here. They sent in their 2 trainers. We had Ryan and Chris come. One of my favorite dudes over at Mutoh. They really take care of us. So they came over here for a whole day. They hung out with us, set this up to our computer, got all the programming done, put us through training, all that kind of stuff, really great. On top of that, they do 2 years of maintenance. So like come to your shop and do maintenance. They're also helping us like maintain it, clean it, do the inks, all that kind of stuff. So they're really, really helping us because we're like newbies when it comes to actually running the machinery.
We know how to work with our hands.
Yeah, that's it. I don't know what to do with a computer. I don't know. So actually, these first 5 or 6 prints that we did, I called up my Mutoh tech, Chris, and he would team view or basically hack into my computer, and he could walk me through all the steps and access my files and everything. So I've been able to watch the whole process with him and just kind of learn as we go, and it's been really, really great and helpful. So if you guys are looking for awesome products and
with an awesome
great
customer
service, Mutoh wins product of the year with their printers like every freaking year, and they're fantastic. They're based here in Tempe. So Rapper's Choice printer, and then this was actually our first print.
This was our first print.
You can see right here, this is our first official print.
And it wasn't even, it was actually a customer from Hawaii.
Request. Yes, so we had, if you guys remember a few weeks ago, we did a custom Vinyl Vixen anime character roof for one of our locals on his Evo from Team Evolved. This guy is an installer over in Honolulu, Hawaii. His name is Alfred. I think his Instagram is like Enzo Wraps.
Enzo Wraps.
And he's wrapping his whole, I think he has a Subaru.
Yep.
He's wrapping his whole Subaru in a Tech Wrap pink chrome, and he wanted a custom Vinyl Vixen roof. So we created him a brand new anime character. He also requested us to sign it. So we're actually gonna sign it with a Sharpie, and then we're gonna send this through the laminator. It hasn't been laminated yet. And this is our first official print rolling out of our shop.
We even get to sign it?
Yeah, we get to sign it. It's so crazy. Like, that's weird to me, but yeah, really cool. Like, we've been getting so much support from our industry, which like means the world to me. You guys, our followers, are the absolute greatest. We love you to death.
That's why we do it.
It is.
It's for our followers.
And it's for the inspiration. Like, we inspire you guys inspire us, you know. Having you guys comment online and send us messages and ask for advice and say that our videos help you, it means the world to us, because we put a lot of hard work into doing our videos and our social media content. We do it all of ourselves. So it's really cool getting support from others within our industry, like other shops and installers. Even when they have a printer at their shop, they're like, hey, congratulations, I saw you got a printer. Like, can I send you something to print? Because I want something from your shop. I just wanted to say it came from your shop, which is really cool because we're not even like hunting
really
down
special
print customers. Like, I've got installers that want us to print and ship stuff to them just to say that we did it, which is like so humbling and crazy to me.
Yeah.
So really excited.
It's really cool.
Thank you, Alfred, for supporting the vibe. Hope you enjoy your roof. He's actually taking his car out to Hot Import Nights.
Yeah.
Over in Hawaii. So this is gonna go to Hot Import Nights.
Nice.
Really cool. So we'll get that signed. So on top of our printer, we also got a laminator. This is a CL65 cold press. But it does laminate. It does laminate 60 inches, so we're good there. Really cool. Like I said before, we're only used to working with half broken equipment at the old shop we worked for, so this is really nice having a roller without any knife marks or things like that.
Yeah, that was the biggest thing. Our old roller had like the old designer we used to have that we worked with. He would always cut right on the roller, and I have no idea why.
No knife.
But what that does is literally make bubble lines all the way through your print. Yeah. And it was always a huge mess. So this is really nice having a fresh roller. And
so really cool little fun fact, we actually had one shipped in like 2 weeks ago and the shippers damaged it. So
yeah, it fell over.
Fellas actually totally made them replace it and everything. So we got a brand new one twice, and then they picked up the old one. So we just got this set up the other day. We had a Fellers tech come through the shop. They set everything up for us. They put us through a couple hours of training, which was really, really great.
Really nice. Yeah.
So really, really exciting.
We have capabilities.
We have activities now. We have equipment. It's so crazy. We almost look like a real wrap shop. So if you guys need any prints, if you're looking for commercial wraps, custom wraps, banners, commercial graphics, anything like that, we can do it here in-house now. It's going to be a faster turnaround, better price. So we're really excited. Make sure to just email us or give us a text or something like that. Moving forward, if you guys are interested in getting any kind of equipment, whether it's a plotter, printer, laminator, anything like that, fellers.com. They're your guys to go to. They're the largest vinyl supplier in the world.
Yeah.
Really cool people. They've taken care of us from day one. They support us and do so much stuff for us. Thank you, Fellers, so much.
Fellers is awesome.
Even like these material racks over here. Dewey got me a bunch of these. So.
Yeah, those are awesome material racks.
They spoil us, but we love them to death. So you guys can check them out there. Mutoh is the top notch when it comes to printers, so make sure you check them out if you guys want to be taken care of.
And we'll be doing some videos here and there all on our prints.
We're actually going to do some really cool things with these coming up in these next few weeks.
Do
so
some
make sure you
time
guys
lapses.
keep watching. We are going to decorate these and do a challenge. That's all I'm going to say about it. Zip it. Zip it.
We're definitely gonna make them cool.
Zip.
We're gonna look cool.
Stop it. Ew, my fingers are dirty. So gross. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to check out Wrap Sesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps, Facebook and Instagram. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe. And we'll see you guys next week.
Later.